Roscoe, what you got now? Go get your rope. Go get your rope. Go get your rope. Go get your rope. Go get it. You gonna go get your rope? Huh? I need to work. I gotta make some stuff. I got Christmas gifts to make, man. Don't tell me no. Go get your rope. Hey. I got Christmas gifts to make. You want me to make you a toy? Go get your rope. Or you want a toy? You want a toy? So how I make dog toys, I put a little bit of fluff in it. And then I add scrap pieces of fabric into it. Just a little. After adding a little bit of scraps, I add the squeaky toy. Then I'll add a little bit of more scraps. Now these are scraps that I just cut off and I put back from like projects that I'm working on, like neck pillows, fabric scraps for a quilt, just any scraps. That way you don't have a whole bunch of fluff through your house. And it still does the purpose. Last little bit of scraps I put in, I do put in just a tad bit more fluff. And then I will top stitch it close. And there you have it. Dog pillow toy. See if the dog pillow is Roscoe approved. Sorry, I have a thread and it bugs me. Roscoe, let me find the squeaky thing in here. You want your new toy? Do you want your new toy? You want your new toy? Ouch! And that game is nasty. Let's throw this one away. If he doesn't get it out of the trash. See, the other toys, there's pillow fluff all through the floor. I have to clean that up still. So, with making the dog pillow toy using scraps, it saves on the fluff and your recycling. I think he likes it. It'll be tore up by the end of the day, I'm pretty sure.